The next big step is to create a two-level underground parking garage around and under this building.
We're coming up with inventive ways to try to get this stuff to site, install it safely, and without doing any damage to the building as we construct the high-rise.
I can't stress enough how complicated this site is. We're building next to an existing building, we're connecting to it, we're incorporating a new entrance to the parkade and the loading dock. There are existing services all around. We're using some of the services from the Rideau Center and tying systems together, such as life safety systems, alarms.
It's a complicated structural job because we can't have columns coming down or any kind of structure coming down in or around the Heritage Building. We determined it was better to build around the Heritage Building, on top of and around it as we go above it, in steel, so that you could put a beam in that's 25 feet long, and you don't have to have these jacks all over the place.
We did not have to do the geothermal heating, and we had an opportunity there. And that comes back to our care about sustainability.
We have to reduce our carbon footprint on the planet. And I think that Cadillac Fairview takes that seriously. And also, in the long term, it is less expensive to operate buildings when you have your own ground source heat.
This will be the only residential rental building that is actually directly connected to the LRT through Rideau Center. So it's going to be a whole host of amenities, which will include gyms that people want to use, outdoor landscaped areas, large balconies for everybody.
The southern part of the building is a little taller than the north. Also allowed us to put a beautiful amenity deck on the rooftop of the north wing of the building with fantastic views out towards the river, towards Parliament Hill, pretty much 360-degree views.
Once the main apartment building rises into the air, when they get to a couple of floors, then we do the beautiful restoration of the registry office. Reinstall all the beautiful floor slabs of stone, put in beautiful lighting, heating and cooling.
What really makes me proud on this project is just the amount of respect and the amount of effort that goes into quite a small building.
Je me sens extrêmement fière de pouvoir avoir la chance d'être en première ligne pour pouvoir mettre en œuvre ce projet.
What the architects and landscape architects and Cadillac Fairview has in mind for the integration of this heritage building, it's going to be outstanding. Outstanding.
I'm proud to have played a small part of it.
We're very proud to be working with this great group of companies who really are partners to us on these projects.